Beside me are my family members, which will I introduce to you later. But first, I will leave you with my favorite Bible verse, which came from the book of Mark. It says that if your hand causes you to stumble, cut it off. It is better for you to enter life clean than with two hands to go where the fire never results. Basically, what it says is that if you, the hand represents your actions. So if you have actions that leads you to sin, it is better to cut off those actions than for you to basically go to heaven. And here's the banner of our BEC.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ariel G. Remember our faithful Ariel G. And my favorite Bible verse is from Proverbs chapter 3, verses 3 to 4, which states, "Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man." So it's very much interconnected, it's very much connected with my description, which is faithful. I believe that in everything that we do, wherever we are, in the stage of our life or the phases of our lives, we should always be faithful to God and to abide by His orders. Now, next is our sisters, which they will present themselves.
Good afternoon, I am Makatao Lordy, and my Bible verse is from Colossians 3:20. Whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for the man.
Good afternoon, I'm Sister Rainier. May pananampalataya Rainier, and my Bible verse is Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future. We're the brothers of peace family. My name is Timothy, and my Bible verse is John 15, verse 12 and 13. Love each other as I have loved you. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends.
David Uriah. There is no feeling love, but perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love.
So of course, next we will present our vacancy. So in this section of representation, we will get to know who Saint Martin de Porres is. Next slide, please.
Saint Martin de Porres was born on December 9, 1579 in Lima, Peru. He is the son of Balboa de Porres, a Spanish nobleman, and Ana Velasquez, a freed woman of African origin.
So he entered the Dominican convent of the Holy Rosary in Lima, first as a servant, later admitted as a lay brother. He is also known for his humility, prayer, and service to the poor and sick regardless of race or caste. He has also experienced racial discrimination due to his mixed heritage. So another fun fact is a patron saint of racial harmony, because he experienced racial discrimination himself. Next slide, please.
Saint Martin de Porres died on November 3, 1639, also in Lima, Peru, and he is beatified in 1837 by Pope Gregory XVI and canonized in 1962 by Pope John the 23rd.
Saint Martin de Porres died on November 3, 1666. He canonized in 1962 by Pope John. This name of the Patron Saint of Social Justice,
barbers and hairdressers, since he also practiced barber and he's a barber surgeon. He also have experience in the medical field.
So we have trivia games prepared for you guys sa ating mga audience po. So this is in kind of course with the Dominican teaching and of course yung background ni St. Martin de Porres. Kung nakinig po kayo. So please, meron po ba tayong volunteers? Tatlo lang po ang kailangan. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, yung mga brothers po ng PEC namin na prepare ng prizes. Friends lang pala.
Ano ba to?
Sige na po. Wala maling answer, wag po kayong mag-alala.
Ano ba to?
So, i-answer lang po natin. Kung sino po sa inyo yung gusto mag-answer ng question 1, 2, and 3.
Kakawin pa natin yung meeting.
Question number 2.
Question number 2, thank you po. Pwede po kayo.
Ay, ano ba to?
Para po makita kayo sa aming video.
Question number 2, which is considered one of the greatest
Mamaya po natin malalaman, no? Please, okay. So, her answer for question number 2 is St. Thomas of Aquinas. Please, ano po yung gusto niyo mong answer? Question 1, 2, 3.
Hindi ko alam. Yung ano yung
What's the first question? How about for question number 1? Before we reveal the answer. Ayan, sir, pwede po kayo dito para makita kayo sa ating video. Question number 1 na lang po yun. Okay, so we will reveal the answers. So for question number 1, kung nabanggit namin kanina when we introduce your agency.
So question number 1, the answer is St. Martin de Porres is the patron saint of social justice, racial harmony, and public health workers, as well as barbers and hairdressers.
For question number 2, tama po yung sagot. The answer is St. Thomas Aquinas. And for question number 3 naman po, the answer is... So, wag po kayo mag-alala, bakit po hindi tama ano natin. Magbibigay pa rin po kami ng content. Thank you po sa pag-participate. Thank you po sa pag-participate sa aming and now,
So thank you for listening to our presentation, and now we will be presenting our year for our
Thank you.
Kuya, speak pa po.
St. Martin de Porres, we follow you.
Who served the poor with love so well.
St. Martin de Porres, show us God's light.
Who is our
St. Martin de Porres, we follow you.
who served the poor Saint Martin de Porres, show us God's light. Who guides us daily through read and share.
Saint Martin de Porres, lead us in prayer.
So thank you so much guys for listening to our presentation and have a blessed afternoon.
Okay,